Welcome to Colabus, the next generation collaboration software. Collaboration intelligence starts with intelligent collaboration. Colabus provides a seamless experience across the entire spectrum of collaboration for teams to be effective. The CME Communicator, web and native mobile applications, and Voice Assistant have all your team needs covered. A typical scenario for a team involves having meetings that lead to action items. Some of these action items result in tasks to be performed. Teams may also share conversations, messages, email, and documents. Tasks are executed and progress is monitored and analyzed. Reports and agenda are set for the following meeting to discuss corrective action and next steps. Good decisions by management need holistic inputs. Islands of collaboration result in confusion and needless time spent on redundant activities. Collaboration silos slow down the decision-making process. This can be overcome when information flows smooth and integrated, providing a holistic view. Efficiency is achieved when teams are able to smoothly collaborate synchronously and asynchronously to achieve their objectives. The meeting capability within Colabus allows team members to make an audio or video call, send instant messages, share screens, brainstorm ideas using whiteboards, view recommended artifacts for the meeting, create minutes of the meeting and action items inline, create a task from the action item, record and index the session. Here we have threaded conversations. You can start a new thread or reply to an existing thread by double-clicking and typing away. A reply can include text, it could include a voice memo, it could include a video file, or it could include a document. You could also take an existing reply and convert it into action of a task and monitor its progress. You can get all the details of the task right here from a click. Colabus comes with a robust document management system. It also works with other popular cloud storage systems, as well as on-premise storage. The task module can be used to create tasks and events. Ad hoc workflows are created with a few clicks. Brings structure and repeatability by creating workflows from predefined templates. Task progress is updated with a slider or by entering the percentage completed. Optional comments can be entered or selected from prior defined task codes. The rest of the team can view the progress in real time. Ideas can be documented, researched, voted, and acted upon. Ideas can be shared in other workspaces too. The Agile method provides a great way to visualize and execute work and action items. This also provides for a great way to manage projects and products. Colabus organizes data logically and always maintains the context, leading to retention of business knowledge. With an open architecture, Colabus works with other popular software that you may already have in your organization. Using all of the collaboration information, actionable insights are provided at various levels: individual, team, department, and enterprise. Colabus is the most comprehensive solution in the market, providing collaboration intelligence to management, helping them get the whole picture faster, ensuring better decisions. Teams have seen over 40% productivity improvements and elimination of over 90% internal email chains. Organizations benefit from reduced cycle time and real-time execution rhythm, delivering real business impact.